The role of service lifecycle management is actually twofold. One, when we offer tools to design the factory, which is a big complex machine that outlives the product lifecycle, we are also capable of offering solutions to manage the asset health in the factory, on the factory floor. So that's the first goal. The second goal is to offer solutions together with our partners to support service after the product was released. So service is playing a very important role in these different scenarios, and in each and every one of them, I want to make sure that we know exactly what is there to be serviced on the product, which is called the bill of service. I want to know how the service should be executed, what kind of spare parts do we need, what kind of technology and skills do we need to have. The major problem with service today is that in most cases, data is not sufficient. The service provider doesn't really have all the information that is required to provide the best service. Technicians are going down to the shop floor or, in the worst case, to the end customer several times, carrying different spare parts from the inventory and missing the opportunity to do first time right. And overall, this increases the cost. Second problem is that if you don't have a way to feedback information, you found out something, you learned about a problem that you have in this asset, how do you feedback this information into teamcenter, into the design repository to make sure that this problem is going to be solved at the next cycle of renewal or improvement of this product. Third issue is the ability to turn service into a business. If you're not efficient, you cannot make a business out of it. To be efficient, you need to have a digitalized process end to end. And once you have such a process, you can turn the service into a marketing opportunity and into a sales opportunity because you can offer retrofit packages to your end customer.